Alright, today I'm going to be making guacamole with McCormick Guacamole mix right here. So I have this right here. This time I'm going to be adding a little bit of heat to the guacamole. And I'm going to go ahead and get started with that. And so the first thing I'm going to do is read the instructions for the guacamole. It says stir seasoning mix mashed avocados in medium bowl. What is a medium bowl? I don't know. That's subjective. And it says until well blended, cover surface with plastic wrap. Refrigerate for 30 minutes to allow flavors to blend. Stir before serving. Note, best when used within 2 to 3 hours. So I have the guacamole, and I'm going to follow the instructions. Now, I don't suggest you use this method of cutting the avocados, but since I am a chef, I am going to go ahead and do this. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut the guac, or the avocado, this way. And you notice when I'm doing it, I'm cutting it crossways this way and that way. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and spoon it out. See, I'll spoon it out right there. That's one side. And then I'm going to do the other side as well. So I'm going to go ahead and cut this way. And then go ahead and take the spoon, spoon it out, just like that. Absolute. And I have the other one, so I'm making quite the whole package. So I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to go ahead and get the seed out because I don't want the big seed in there and accidentally bite on it and hurt the teeth. So I'm going to cut it like this, cut it like that. Spoon this one out. This is a process. Probably the most important step in this process. Then I have the last half, fourth quarter. Just go ahead and cut it like that. And then spoon this out as well. So once I have that all in there, I'm going to rinse the rest of the avocado. And then I'm going to get the guacamole mixture right here. And then we're going to go ahead and open it. And then I'm going to pour, see, this is the guacamole mix in here. So it's a nice powder right there, filled with flavoration. So I pour the guacamole mix on top of that. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the lemon, rinse the knife off, and then I'm going to take the lemon and use my cutting board. And I'm just going to cut it like this right here. So right now I have it one cut just like this right here. I'm going to take this, move that to the side. I'm going to go ahead and take the lemon and take one of the halves of the half or a quarter of the lemon and pour it all over the avocados and the guacamole mix. Then I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of Kirkland's crushed red pepper, sprinkle a little bit. That's going to add a little bit of heat to it. And then once I have it in that, I had a spoon and I also had a knife. This time I'm going to go ahead and take a spork and I'm going to mix it like I do in my own restaurant. Go ahead and do it like that. And so when I use a spoon and a fork, it makes me look more fancy. See, and what I'm doing right here, I'm taking the spork and I am pressing down. And what this is doing, it is flatterizing the avocado, making it smooth. Once I have it like that, have it all mixed in right there. And I'm going to go ahead and stir it. And this part of the process right here allows the guacamole mix to permeate with the avocado. So once you mix it like that, I like a little bit of lime or limon. I like more of that taste. And the beauty with adding limon or lime to it is that it keeps it from turning brown so quickly. You can apply that to an apple, as they say in French, apple, and that will prevent the apple from turning brown. So once I have it like this, have it stirred up, I try to like smooth it out. Like so. See how I smooth it out right here? And then I'll put this to the side. And then what I'll do next is I'll get some saran wrap. Well, I dropped an avocado. Put that back in there. Add to the guacamole mix. So what I'll do now is I'll get some saran wrap. Take the saran wrap. And just place it on top of it like this. So get the saran wrap. Place it on this. Make sure you clean up your mess. And you see how I have it like this. It's almost airtight. And the purpose of this is letting it sit because you'll allow the seasonization from the guacamole mix to permeate and allow the flavoration to go all the way through. And that is how you make McCormick guacamole mix. Hope this was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.